circles.
She only talked to someone coming in once in a while. Maybe she wouldn't wear out some of your guys' expensive shoes. The whole thing. I'm going in. Any word from the White House? Okay, I deserve to know things. Since I promised everything has been a secret, everything's been a one-way street. If you would just... What is going on? Who are you protecting? What does Quinn have on you that makes you so determined to put yourself at risk? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's all I do. I worry about it because you won't talk to me. You won't tell me anything. This trial's been over for weeks. Everyone's moved on. I'm just suggesting you do the same. I'm now